Alright, so it turns out we've crossed the threshold or that milestone of the 10 subscriber mark. Yeah, I was honestly very excited when it happened. And I was just like at 7 subscribers a week ago, and now we're at 13 at the point of making this video. So I'm honestly very glad, very excited. And I knew I had to do this sooner or later. And I knew I had to create a video sharing the tips. And because of a situation I'm in right now, I currently can't make a video with a camera, but I can do a voiceover over edited clips. So how do we get here? That's basically what I'm going to be doing, sharing my tips on how to get your first 10 subscribers on YouTube. So the first thing I think is very, very important to get your channel out there, to get a lot of people seeing it, is comments. A YouTuber, you probably don't know her, but goes by the name J Choi $1,000,000 Challenge is the name of her channel. She literally gained over 11,000 subscribers by using this exact method. I know she must have gotten way more than 10, and this is supposed to be the first 10, but she gained over 11,000 subscribers using this. So each video I watch, basically every video I watch concerning YouTube growth, YouTube advice, how to grow on YouTube and all those kind of stuff, you see a comment by J Choi, and it's actually comments regarding the video, and not just commenting subscribe to my channel, hey, I like your content, or great video, or some sort of random crap, but she makes actual nice comments that regard the video, that concern the video. And as I kept on seeing her comments and comments over and over again, somehow one day I went over to her channel and subscribed, and she was at a very few low number at that point, and coming back in I think a few weeks time, she was over 11,000 subscribers. The second very, very important tip is to make searchable content. I think I've not yet started doing this. I really haven't had a lot of time to make videos because I'm kind of focusing on my education right now, because I got an exam in a few weeks to write. So I have to focus and read and study, and so I haven't been able to make a lot of videos recently. Although I upload constantly on my channel, but that was just pre-recorded videos I have privated. And so as I was saying, so if you make searchable content, it's very, very easy for someone to find your channel on the search bar. And once they do find your channel, it's more likely for them to subscribe, and it's more likely for you to get more views. So if you do not make searchable content and you just make content that's very unlikely to be discovered without sharing, then you probably not get as much traffic. And the last and final advice I've got is to make search engine optimization. And this is very, very important, because I think a lot of YouTubers, a lot of small channels underestimate the power of search engine optimization. It kind of plays a little role in searchable content, because if you optimize your search engine, then you'll be able to create content that has a high chance of ranking high on YouTube, and so you may even rank higher than someone with a whole lot of subscribers more than you. So the first thing, so you want to check the volume, and you want to check the competition on that topic you want to cover. And so if it's good enough, then go for it. And if you optimize your search engine, you're bound to get views and subscribers. So that's pretty much it, I think. And although before I end the video, I really do want to thank every single one of you guys for subscribing. All the 13 individuals who are on my channel right now and are probably watching this video really means a lot to me, honestly. And I know I am not making as quality content as I should, but I've explained the reason, because of school. But then as soon as I'm done with exams, I'm going to come back. I'm going to make more content, make better content, make quality content. And yeah, that's basically it. I really do appreciate you guys. So thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking the videos, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Like this video so it helps out in the YouTube algorithm, and share it to anyone who's trying to get their first 10 subscribers. And I'll see you in my next video, which is probably going to be in a few months' time. Hopefully, I'll come back with better videos, make good quality content, and we'll get to our goal of 100 subscribers. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.